Originally said
Penny.
she'd come up and stay
Is that some good
a
corn?
day or
Penny?
two with us, but decided
You have
not
a
to.
corn cob, don't you?
She brought Chelsea over to see Craig because he lives in Olympia.
Yummy. Yummy. Yeah, there's
Basically
the whole
took his
thing in there.
Well, the promotion above his
That's
old
right.
job. The
That's right.
Thurston County.
The whole thing in there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, well, it's just like that. But she, I think that she had to take Chelsea home today.
Yum.
So she said she was going to stay in Seattle rather than have to drive all the way from here to Olympia and then turn around and drive to
Yum.
So Chelsea met her at the outlet mall.
Pretty yummy, huh?
Yeah.
That corn cob is so fun. We can
That's
try
about
it with the
halfway
whole
for both
thing
of
in our
us.
mouth. There's a bird out there.
Beautiful day yesterday.
Hey,
We
bud.
put our garden in.
Henry.
It's in the wrong spot, but yeah, we put it in. At 3 o'clock it's shade.
Hi.
Oh, it's sunrise to then. So, I'm looking at all the other sun spots in the yard going, should have done there, should have done there. Next year.
No.
But we have,
Yeah.
I got another tomato plant.